वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे, आफियत से होंगे। डियर लर्नर्स, टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस रादर थ्रो लाइट on an important topic titled land resources. Dear learners, before going ahead, let me give you a brief information about the topics which we have to discuss in this chapter. First, we have to discuss land resources. We have to discuss land utilization. We have also to discuss land use pattern in India. We have also to discuss land degradation as well as conservative measures. Dear learners, first we will know what is land resource. Resources which are available on land are called land resource. Land resource includes natural vegetation, wildlife, human life, economic activities, transport and communication. As you know that, dear students, जैसा कि आप सभी इस बात से वाकिफ है कि we live on land. हम इसी लैंड पर रह रहे हैं. We perform our all activities on land. We land resource, it includes natural vegetation. Natural vegetation means trees that grow naturally. वाइल्ड लाइफ, इसी ज़मीन पे, इसी लैंड पे हमारे वाइल्ड लाइफ भी है, हम भी रह रहे हैं. हम डिफरेंट इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज, ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड कम्युनिकेशन, दैट ऑल is attached with this land. As you know that most of our basic needs like food, clothing and shelter comes from land. Therefore, careful use of land is necessary. That you all know that without land we cannot perform any activities. Dear learners, dear blooming buds, dear future stars, as far as India is concerned, India is having 3.28 million kilometers of land. And you all know that India is the seventh largest country in the world in terms of land. India occupies 2.4% of the world land. As for as here, dear students, point is very interesting. India is having 2.4% of the world land. India is the seventh largest country in the world. As far as population is concerned, India is the second largest population. Dear learners, इंडिया की पॉपुलेशन, इंडिया में जो आबादी है, सेकंड लार्जेस्ट कंट्री, बट एज फॉर ए लैंड इज कंसर्नड, land is India occupies only 2.4% of the world, while as population is more than 15%. It is about 17% of the total population of the world. And therefore, we have to make proper utilization. We have to make careful use of land. Dear learners, as far as India is concerned, first we will know land resource in India. In India, land resource includes 43% of plain area. Dear learners, हिंदुस्तान में जो लैंड है, it is consists of different areas. One is plain area, another is mountainous area, third is plateaus. As far as India is concerned, plain area of India is 43%. 33% is occupied by mountains. 27% is occupied by plateaus. As you know that most of plains consist of agricultural land, industries, mountains, providing support for the tourism and perennial flow of rivers. Plateaus are rich sources of minerals, fossil fuels, and forests. Dear learners, plateaus means that is tableland. India is having a large area of plateaus. As I have told you that 27% of the total area of land is occupied by plateaus in India. As far as India is concerned, land resource India is classified into as far as utilization of land is concerned, dear students, land in India is occupied by forests. It is land resource India is classified into forests, land not available for cultivation, fallow land, agricultural land. Dear learners, in India, mm, around 22.8% of land is covered with forests. लैंड नॉट अवेलेबल फॉर कल्टीवेशन, वो लैंड जिस पे हम कल्टीवेशन नहीं करते हैं, दैट वी कॉल्ड बैरन लैंड, बंजर जमीन, बैरन एंड वेटलैंड फॉर एग्जांपल covers 8.61% of the land. Moreover, land for non-agriculture use like building roads, factories and settlements etc. takes up to 5.57%. डियर लर्नर्स, हिंदुस्तान में जिस ज़मीन पे हम अपने रोड्स बनाते हैं, फैक्ट्रीज बनाते हैं, बिल्डिंग्स बनाते हैं, that that is that is occupied around 5.57%. Also, the other uncultivable land mainly consists of permanent pastures, grazing lands. Permanent pastures mean चरागाह, grazing lands जहाँ हम अपने लाइव स्टॉक को grazing purpose के लिए यूज करते हैं, which takes up to 3.38% of land. Under 3.38% land under miscellaneous trees, जिसमें different tree types of trees grow कर रहे हैं. Dear learners, fallow land, total fallow land in India, Indian resources contains 8.13% out of which 4.76 covers the current fallow land. Dear learners, fallow land includes around 8.13%, which also includes current fallow land. डियर लर्नर्स, इस टॉपिक में आज हम इतना ही पढ़ेंगे. रेस्ट वी विल डिस्कस इन द नेक्स्ट lecture. I wish all the best. Thanks. Have a nice day.